Okay, so we got part 2 here. It's been about a week since we put this down, and it seemed pretty solid to me. After I put that mortar on top, I had these rubber mats on it because we wanted to drive on it. I got these at Home Depot. They just been hanging around the yard. So I had put those on top of it. So I'm thinking the sun couldn't hit it, and that's why it got solid. Well, I guess if I poke it with a screwdriver, you can still get in there. Let's see here. Well, I guess that part's still pretty soft. Okay, so that's pretty soft. This part seems okay. Maybe not. Okay. I guess I probably could poke that and it would come up. Let's see this. That's real thin there. I think you're supposed to have it like an inch thick. This part's not bad. So it seems okay. But it's like that versus cement. See, if you put down cement, it all cracks up. See there, I drive the truck on that. You know, if you don't make it 4 inches thick, see how that's all broke up there. That was a bag of cement. That too, that was just a quick patch. I think it was snowing when I threw that down. It gets hard, but it breaks up. See here, it's breaking off again because it's not thick. So, you know, it's one or the other. See, and then this part too, every year I have to cement this. As you can see, it breaks up. Ground shifts a little bit and it breaks up. So, you know, whether you use tar or cement, I guess there's pros and cons to both of them. Okay, so I think that tar is okay as long as you put it on like an inch thick. Okay, see ya. Bye.